computer.
Well, I mean, what do you expect it to talk back or something?
But it's not voice activated.
No.
Hello, YouTubers!
Is it female, not listening?
Not listening. No. Not even paying attention.
Oh, well, that's a male.
No. A male on a Saturday morning wouldn't even be here if he had any sense. Yes, it's Saturday morning.
I know.
And guess where we are? Hey, but you know now, folks, don't go giving us a hard time because it's not as bad as it sounds.
No.
Yesterday, the sun was splitting the rocks. It was very nice here.
That's right.
So yesterday morning, I got up and I mowed the grass. And I said, I'm going to get it all mowed before
it got too hot.
It got too hot.
It was early morning.
But I came back, got back in here about 11 o'clock. And in my opinion now, upper management had kind of a different opinion. But in my opinion, it had already gotten too hot.
Okay.
So I took the afternoon off.
Yeah.
And upper management chased me. So we went to the city and picked up some supplies that we needed for the shop and whatnot. So that's what happened. So we're trying to make up. Seeing upper management forced me to take her to the city. I got to come out here on a Saturday morning and finish the stuff that I was supposed to do yesterday. See?
Oh.
See, a lot of the work chores that I get here working for her is not really in my job description. Right?
Yeah, welcome to my world.
Yeah, so, you know, here's what happens. You know, you got to, and she won't hire anybody else.
I know you've been showing me lots of interesting pictures.
I said to Kathy, I said, look, I'm going to need some help here. You're going to have to hire a couple of 20-somethings, you know, and she or they should be, you know, like, nimble.
Well, I was a little concerned for them because they didn't have a whole lot of clothes on, and I didn't want them to get injured here.
I just happened to Google female welders. Folks do it.
But watch now, you're going to burn up Google.
Don't make one critical mistake that I made. Don't show your wives.
Female welders.
Like, I mean, their tone and their expressions change, and you know, it could be the hottest day, yet you get that cold chill coming from her. Not good.
Right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where those welders are, but it's some pretty interesting.
I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
I'm going to be looking. Anyway, what are we going to talk about? Okay, that there, that's for Chance. Okay, that's got nothing. That's going to be another video. Today we're going to talk about vacuums and how they suck.
Literally.
This one sucks.
You've been complaining about that one for a while.
Well, I bought this, you know, when Sears was actually a company.
That's a Sears one, yeah.
Yeah, Craftsman. They don't even exist here in Canada anymore.
Well, you want to keep that. That might be a treasure one day.
Yeah, you know, like it looks good, and the reason why it looks good, it's got a little filter down here, and it's kind of a little Mickey Mouse thing. Look.
Ooh. What's that?
All right. That's a Furby. I think it sucked up a Furby. So anyway, I used to use it in the car because when I'm chauffeuring Miss Daisy around, after we get back, I usually clean the car up and vacuum the carpets and stuff. That way, when your Royal Highness gets back into it, it's clean.
Well, you're not painting me in a very good light.
You know, because I mean, after all, she does have certain standards. Anyway, so
yeah,
it's okay. It's
not really sucking. You said it was,
you know, like you're vacuuming and this thing comes off, and then it's got another little long one that's a snout, and it's still not long enough. You can't get down. You know, in that dark black hole between the seat and the console. Every car got them, where something falls and you never find it anymore. Like our doctor.
Yeah, it happened.
Last week. She lost her lens out of her glasses, and I went down in that dark hole and she couldn't find it. So, and she had this brand new vehicle with leather seats, and I said, I may have to do a small incision on the leather seat, and she's just about freaked out. But I did find the lens.
You did.
So yeah, so this is the vacuum.
But sometimes you don't know how good it's going to be until you start using it.
Yeah, but lo and behold, we have regular viewers who watch these videos and they say, they look around and they're very observant. I think they must like pause it or something to just look around. Because they even notice things on the wall that I don't even notice.
Right.
Like somebody asked me about a certain picture or something. I said, we don't have that out there. And sure enough, when it came out, it was out here.
I know.
Right? So.
Yeah, you hadn't even mentioned anything about
No, I never mentioned anything about it. Nobody ever knew anything about this. But one of our viewers, a regular viewer and a regular customer to our custom mods store.
Long time supporter.
He said, I'm going to send Paul something that I haven't seen him use.
That's right.
And I'm thinking, not likely he's going to send me something that he probably haven't seen me use it, but I can guarantee I probably got it.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I didn't have it. Not only did I not have it, I didn't even know it existed.
That's right. When you opened the box, you said, how is it that I did not know about it?
He got me at a bad time, see, because I've been busy. And I haven't had a lot of time.
No excuse.
I haven't had a lot of time to go surfing. Well, the only surfing I've done is looking for female welders.
Well, then
I wasn't looking for vacuums.
Well, see, there's your problem.
I got priorities.
Priorities.
Anyway, so he sends me this. I'm going to show you what it is. It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
We're just doing this video for a little laugh. That's all. But also to show you how observant our viewers are.
Yeah.
I mean, can you imagine of all the stuff that we do here, somebody noticed something that they've never seen me use, right? So they call this the tea kettle. The slang word was the tea kettle vacuum.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, look, it does look like a tea kettle.
Yep. And again, I did not know that this existed. And this is the beer one. When you get a beer tool from Milwaukee, it means it don't come with the battery. I have like umpteen batteries. There's just no end to the batteries. As a matter of fact, I got a drawer full of batteries. So,
excuse me. I wonder, is it new? I know you've been busy and haven't looked it up.
I don't know. You know, I never even got a chance to really look it up last night. It came out the 8th month of, well, this was printed the 8th month of 16. So it's fairly new, you know.
Yeah, so you've been looking up female welders a long time.
Well, you know, you gotta look for a right one, right?
Because there's no excuse.
Like they either got too much clothes on or not enough on, or, you know. Oh yes, and you can't really see if they're welding when you just go.
Yeah, I don't recall seeing anything about welding.
No, I just remember that maybe I should go back and revisit that and see if they can actually
what your welds look like.
I gotta go back and see if they can actually weld.
I don't think it was a concern.
So we have this.
Wow, lots of little attachments in there.
We have
Snuffleupagus. Oh, Snuffleupagus.
And we have that attachment.
Okay.
Now we do have a vacuum, but we have like a, oh, here it is.
That being said, we always keep one dedicated to the car. Oh yes, that's your red Milwaukee one. Yeah, I use that on the vehicles.
That's the only one that I thought that Milwaukee ever put out. But this here is even better. I'm going to show you. It's amazing what they can fit in a box. Of course, you're just as bad when you're shipping stuff.
Yeah, it's packed pretty efficiently.
Right. And there's the tea kettle.
Okay. I like tea.
Yeah. It looks like the spray thing the bees keeper use, the steam.
Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
Right. Now, I had this out last evening, and the first thing that I did when I got it, I went, and I was waiting for that half-naked welder to pop out.
You wasn't after Jeannie, you were after the welder.
Yeah. A Jeannie is no good to me.
I said, you've been rubbing that thing there now for over an hour.
Yes, wonder got any lettering left on it.
Nothing is going to appear.
Yeah, so that's it there. And this is the M18 fuel battery.
Sweet.
So we'll put that on there now. I'd like to lose the arm. That neat. On the stuff shot. Yeah.
It is neat.
Huh?
It is neat. It looks like it's easy to handle.
Yeah. And then you can go like this, like this, like this. They compare it to the Dyson.
Oh, yeah.
Right. So I mean, if you had a situation where you had some sawdust on your floor in your workshop, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's filtered, so. And then you can take your other one. This will probably be the one that we'll be using the most. Well, you won't, because I'm the one that looks after all of this stuff. And this will go down in the car. And what I like about this, it's got a lock on it.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
So I just thought, like, I really like, I love the vacuum, but the fact that somebody bought it for me, you know, like, and shipped it. The shipping alone.
But it's not the first time he does these things
No,
all the
this is
time.
no. He's pulled this one a
He
couple.
never wants to mention, so we're just doing
so
this.
we're not telling the name. We're not telling the state. We're not
State.
telling the country. Of course, when I said state, I kind of give it away, didn't I?
Well, it's big states, a lot of states.
Yeah.
It's a big state.
Well, you know, like he's in a good state.
Oh, yeah.
He's not in a bad state, you know. Yeah.
Don't get me started.
And mentally, he's in a good state too, you know.
He is.
Right?
You are foolish.
Well, I mean, it is what it is. Are you okay? Something wrong with you?
No, there's nothing wrong with me.
You know, like you're giggling. You're something wrong with you. So yeah, it's kind of neat, eh? And this got like a little rubber squeegee on it. So if you had to pick up water, now I don't know if this is considered a wet and dry vac. I never even
got into that.
You know, the other one is there. I've had.
I like that you can turn on the handle and you can use it away.
Yeah.
And hold it.
Yeah. It's a really neat system, right? And I just love it. So, you know who you are. Thank you very much. It's greatly appreciated.
Oh, let me show you something.
Now that being said, that's right.
No.
Because you don't usually show your stuff.
No, I'm just going to show real quick. Never mind turning around the camera.
Give me the camera.
No.
You give me the camera.
I was just going to lay
Never
it
mind
down.
that. Oh, hang on. Now something's gone wrong here.
What happened? What'd you do?
Okay, now we touched the buttons, but it's okay.
I've got a monogrammed clutch wallet.
Just imagine. A what wallet? A clutch wallet?
Yeah, because you're bum, bum, bum.
Huh?
So you can hold it, your hands are free. But it's great because when you're going out and staying and you don't want to take a big old purse because you know my purses are big. Don't have a lot of room.
They're as big as 3/4 ton trucks.
I got a problem. I don't have any money in it.
Well, that's my problem too. Yeah, well, I got a few old wrenches and stuff you can put in to make it seem like you got something in it.
Oh, smell the leather too. It's really nice.
Great, eh?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, and check out the sign on my door. I got a new sign. And thank you. Oh, this was my very first purse I got wallet.
You're a liar.
From a viewer.
Oh, from a viewer? I was going to say, 'cause you got wallets. I got them too. Was nothing ever in mine.
I got one years ago, but she was a really dear friend in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
You know who I'm talking about, Deanne.
She passed away.
And I'm still using her wallet that she sent me, and she passed a number of years ago.
Yeah.
We were friends for years.
A long time.
Yeah, Pennsylvania's really nice. Look, look at my sign.
Hang on. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very cool.
Those women, eh?
Yeah, he does know women.
Yeah.
I got my wallet misplaced.
So anyway,
Oh, I found it. I don't know what is it.
the part number, again, is there. Because we kind of had like a camera malfunction during this video.
Yeah.
All right. Something, as we say in Newfoundland, arsed up.
Something did ourselves.
Yeah, big time, right?
Yeah, big time.
So, but Milwaukee, yeah, we like Milwaukee tools. It's
Oh yeah.
grinder there, lights. There's a radio, lights up there. There's lots of Milwaukee stuff in there as well. So yeah.
Really durable.
I gotta go to work, eh?
Yeah, you do have to go.
So you gotta go gardening.
I have to go gardening.
If it don't rain.
If it don't rain.
And you're praying it's gonna rain.
Fingers crossed, folks.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching the videos. We've really liked we've loved the comments you left on the last 2 videos, because it really tells us, it shows us the support that we have.
Oh, absolutely.
And I mean, I guess to a point, you know, the majority of people were right. I guess it's safe to say we own 3 Kubotas. We've had 4 of them, and my best buddy got the other one. Mm-hmm. The first one, the 4240,
yeah.
And he loves that tractor.
Exactly.
And I mean, face it, we have never had a warranty issue with any of the 4 machines.
And they're used.
Yeah, and they're used.
They're
exactly.
maintained and everything.
Well, the 4240 was used for 3 years commercial snow clearing.
Oh yeah.
The 5740 was used 1 year commercial snow clearing.
Yeah. And
never an issue.
No.
We've had the 0 turn since 2011. Never an issue.
No.
The BX25D, never an issue. So
They're reliable.
they're reliable. Yeah. So anyway, folks, we're gonna go back to our normal selves.
Whatever that means.
Whatever normal is around here. Probably people might figure it's abstract, if anything else.
Yeah.
And again, thank you for your support, and thanks for watching our videos. You guys have a safe weekend. Look after yourselves, and like a lot of them says on our videos, we love you, and we love you guys too, you know?
Sure do.
So thanks for watching. Be good to each other, and God bless.